Hello everyone, welcome to the Arabian Stories. You're watching The Reporter. Today, let's talk about Oman's renowned Matra Souk. Thought to be one of the oldest marketplaces in the world, Oman's Matra Souk is a destination of one's Aladdin dreams. Dating back about 200 years, Matra Souk is an intriguing market maze where one can find an eclectic range of products from Omani and imported artifacts, antiques, and traditional textiles, hardwares, and jewelry stores, to name a few. But today, as the spread of the virus prevails, the coronavirus pandemic has resulted in the shutdown of the bustling Matra Souk since last 4 months. For reasons well understood, we did not have a choice as the number of cases was spiking and Matra was the epicenter at the beginning of the pandemic. Undoubtedly, this affected hundreds of people who were dependent on the markets and their income. These hardworking local and expat traders have been altering their lives and needs for the past 4 months, understanding the crisis they were in. Some of the expat traders have even left the country without a foreseen future. Now, due to the adequate and well-followed precautionary measures and government policies, the cases are controlled in the area. Hence, the traders and employees are currently looking forward for the reopening of the souk while following strict precautionary measures and advices from the Ministry of Health.
Hi, my name is Amit Ved. I'm a resident of Matra Cornish. I just wanted to talk about the pandemic which we all are facing. It's tough times for everyone. I would say especially for Matra as well, because we have been in a lockdown since 4 months or near to close to 4 months. What I see personally is that the small traders are the most affected, and I really request the government to look for a solution at the same time for them, with of course all the precautionary measures, because I personally have seen a lot of people not having a meal for a day, and I really urge the government to look into the solution for a solution, and let's hope that things get back to normal, because me and my family have been in Oman since more than 45 years, and even my business is in Matra since about 35 years. So everyone's affected, and I think it's the best time is to everyone should come together, help each other, and please follow the rules and regulations so that we overcome this pandemic as soon as possible. I'd like to thank the Supreme Committee and the government of Oman for having a lockdown in Matra area to ease down the cases and the curve of the virus. I'm really thankful to them, and let's hope for the best.
Assalamu alaikum to all the nationals and the residents of Oman, and to His Majesty Sultan Haytham bin Tariq. And my name is Nilesh, located in Matra Souk. My shop is in Matra Souk, a grocery shop, and we are since 70 years and third generation in Oman. But now at the time of pandemic, as the Matra is closed, so we are affected very much as a businessman, and as we have to pay rentals also, and so many shops are closed. Not only I am affected, so many of them are affected with that. And okay, the government is doing their best effort to do and control this pandemic. Now all the residents and the nationals must understand and cooperate the government so that we can come out of this. Global impact is there on the economy, but in Muscat, Oman is very taking good effort on that, and we know we will come out of this. So I urge all of them to please do something precautions in each side, in the malls and in the markets, and I urge the government to look after that, because we are hit by rentals, we are hit by our business. So government will do, I know government is capable of doing in this very well.
How did you manage the last 4 months?
Last 4 months we were totally locked down with checkpoints, so we were not able to buy anything from the malls which the other parts were enjoying, and we were following the rules of the government, and still we are following the rules as we are in lockdown. So we only go for essential things, we buy together 4-5 days and we remain at home only, we don't move out. So it was a hard time, we have never seen any time in our life, but I know that Oman government, they are thinking for all these things and they will do something. We were affected, but then also as a resident of Oman, I am happy with this thing. To other parts of the world, they are worse than this, but at least Oman is good in that.
Like the traders, we, the Arabian Stories, hope that this iconic souk will be reopened soon so that the life will be back to normal for these traders and people amid these uncertainties. That's all for today. For other latest news and updates, please follow us on our social media pages and website www.thearabianstories.com. See you soon in the next episode. Thank you.